Well, we are back at the tent. What should we see today? Hey, welcome to Tigner Adventures. This is David and my wife Ninette and our little cat Tansy. We live full-time in our motorhome and we are back down at the big tent again. But today we're actually going to bypass the tent. There's so much going on in there, and we're actually going to go over to the north side of the tent to the Tyson Wells. It's like a flea market or market area. It's actually broke up into a couple different groups, so we're going to go through that and look around, talk to some of the vendors, just kind of see what that's all about. And so we'll kind of give you a view of outside the tent. This road divides the other flea market. So there's one on the north side of this road and then this one next to the tent. So I'll tell you, they have some really cool things here. Some different designs and all kinds of things. Lots of shirts, t-shirts, pullovers. Pretty good selection of everything. I was telling Ninette, hey look, we can glue these down, have a new carpet in our motorhome. She wasn't too impressed. You have to look at this stuff here. This guy, now, do you make this stuff?
Yeah, I actually I harvest these trees in Idaho and then wood burn it to give it a 3D effect.
Wow.
And then paint it. So it's kind of a 3D product. It's interesting.
Wow. Looks really nice. Really nice work here. You got some really good workmanship.
When I come to Quartzsite, I love to bring the good stuff. You get such a variety of people down here.
So do you have a website too?
I have a Facebook page. It's just
page?
R. Wayne Waddoups Art.
Cool. Well, good job. Looks nice. Did a little bit of honey. Natural honey is good for you compared to the stuff you buy in the store.
So this is raw, unfiltered honey out of Montana. Bees are out on the prairie, not in the mountains, so they've got a lot of sweet clover, a lot of wildflowers, and it's delicious. You want to try some?
Sure. Thank you.
Well?
Yep. It's good. We raised bees for a while. Had stings on my hands to prove it.
So you won't get arthritis. That's
Right.
the whole thing, they sting them.
I know these are the knees in front of the beehive with the honey, the little ladies.
Looks pretty
And
good.
then I also make a lotion or a balm for your skin out of the beeswax.
Okay, cool. I like the little teepee.
Yes, it's
This is
keeps it cool.
okay, everyone. Meet Janet LeRoy. She is an artist, and you can see some of her work there. But you do art shows all
I do
over
art
the place?
shows in the western states, mostly Colorado and Wyoming
Cool.
and Arizona.
In Arizona. You're here now, and you're here, what, for another couple weeks?
Yeah, we're here till the end of the third show.
Okay. And I'll put a card on our site so you can look and see how to get a hold of her if you're interested. But here's some of the artwork she does. So she does all this. She paints all of these herself, makes them.
I hand paint the feathers, and I do all my own matting and framing.
Okay.
I have some pieces here that have custom matting that are,
Wow.
the matting is hand carved, and it's a process that my husband and I developed on our own. And
I like
and
that.
then
That's
I add
nice.
accent feathers, and sometimes there's gemstones and crystals and leather and things in with them. So
Very, very nice work.
these are my spirit feathers. They're individually hand painted feathers that people can just hang up loosely, or they can frame them. Painting on feathers, as a matter of fact, that's the reason that I started putting like gemstones and stuff in my work, is because, you know, there was all these rocks around and stuff.
Nice work. How long you guys been doing this?
Oh my gosh.
Hi. Just sneaking up behind you.
How long have you been doing this? 15 years. About 15 years, yeah.
So you just find these different pieces wherever, buy them from other people, and then you just make jewelry out of them? Or do you guys make all the rocks too?
We don't make the rocks.
Yeah,
We find the rocks,
find them
buy
and
the rocks,
put them into slabs.
all of that.
Okay. So wherever you get the rocks, you get them, and then you just make jewelry out of them.
Yes.
Very nice.
Everything we do and all the jewelry is from raw rocks. We cut them into slabs and then we shape them and then we take them and polish them. Just like these I finished. These are all, that's fire agate. This here is called Needles Blue Agate. Very rare. Most of the mines are closed. It's out in the Needles area. So yeah, that's what we do.
Interesting.
We even repaired a handle on a knife.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I do a lot of different repair jobs and
So how long are you guys actually here?
we come here about the middle of December and we're here until the middle of February.
Okay.
we're
So you're here for a few more weeks, and then you guys are...
We have
off.
until about the 15th it closes down, all 3 shows.
Oh, okay.
So
And then you guys head out to...
we head home for a while and rest.
Yeah, I bet it's a lot of work.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot of work to set up. It's a lot of work to do what we do.
Yeah.
That isn't
There's some
faceted yet. and these are
Beautiful
faceted.
fire agate.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Oh, the fire agate? Oh, you
Yeah,
take it
those.
outside.
You
and
gotta
look at
take it
Oh,
out
I've
of the...
seen.
it. It's gorgeous
Open the
stuff.
case step.
Wow.
It's a lot prettier.
Wanna go outside and see it
Plastic
inside?
is not...
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Put that over.
That's why they're called fire agates.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the polished side. That's unpolished, really.
Okay.
And it takes a lot of time to get to the color, because if you go too fast or too long, the color's gone.
Oh, interesting.
But if
Thanks.
you get it right,
Yeah.
it's a nice stone.
This is labradorite. Can you see that flash?
Yeah.
Labradorite. Labradorite. And
This is how you find your trailer when you're parked out boondocking somewhere. Nice big flag. Working hard here. Top salesman.
Key part. This Velcro strap will come down to the chin area. It's most important you get that up there snug to the
Okay.
chin so it's being held.
okay.
If you stop the movement, they'll ignore it.
You got some really unique pieces here,
Thank you.
and you were showing me that coin, so you were cutting that, right?
Yeah, it's a 1921 Morgan dollar.
Oh, okay, cool.
Cutting out all the letters on it and around the eagle on it.
Yeah, it looks really nice. What's the name of your business?
It's I'm the Nomatic Craftsman.
Nomatic Craftsman,
Yeah.
all right.
So Nomatic Craftsman 72 at Etsy.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, and you make all of this stuff right here.
I make the jewelry, and my friends over here make all the winches.
All right. We like people that do their own work.
Thanks.
A lot of nice artists that are here showing their wares. So
For sure.
my wife's over there checking it all out.
Yeah, I take all the pictures on the back of the quarters, and I cut the picture out for the state quarters and the parks coins.
Uh-huh.
And I cut all the pictures out because they're great designs, so I enhance them by cutting away the white space and leaving the picture there.
Oh, cool. Well, thanks and good luck.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, well, yeah, as you can see, there is a lot of art over here on this side, in the flea market side. This is only going to be here, most of these vendors will leave in about 2 more weeks. So about the middle of February, they are gone on this side of the road. But over by the tent, that area, a lot of those stay a lot longer. But this side over here thins out quite a bit. So anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of the vendors we've talked to. There's definitely some unique things here. And I was just going to try to highlight this bus here because it is pretty cool looking. Yep. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. So we'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully see you around Quartzsite somewhere. If not, we'll just see you down the road and maybe we'll be on our next video. So thanks for watching.